Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video for LTBU427. Try number 2, the battery died in the middle of the last video. It's a Buick Roadmaster Estate Wagon with a 132,000 miles on it. I messed it up like 4 times in the last video. Car has got an LT1 4L60E combo. We are going to be selling that as a swap. It's going to get you the engine, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU, all 241 horsepower of Fury. A lot of good parts on this car. She was donated. She is kind of rusty underneath. A lot of the moldings have chipped off here. This is just when a lot of people give up on these cars. Ooh, this vehicle is protected by Prestige. Worldwide. A couple of these moldings, we are going to have them for sale, but somebody did the wood screw mod there. Went to the old Home Depot, Ace Hardware, and loaded up on wood screws to fix their moldings. Everywhere. It is everywhere. Man, that cargo shade has seen better days.
It's just a little liquid.
Yikes. She got a third row?
She does.
Oh, let me open this up here. Ooh, trailer hitch. What is that for? Tail. I've never seen an illuminated trailer hitch like that. Let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up. Jump box was taking the day off because it's still Monday. Starts up good, runs well. Low on washer fluid and a brake light. That's always alarming. Do we have brakes? We have brakes. All right, let's test out this transmission. Reverse, drive, both working well. Give her a couple of revs. It is raining leaves. Wow. This thing is just spitting leaves out from under the hood. She had been sitting for a while. There is the LT1 running well, no noises, makes good oil pressure. A very quiet engine. Like I said before, we are going to be selling that as a swap. Let's check out the interior. A lot of good parts left on this. Driver's door panel is in very good condition. There's a little bit of dirt here that'll clean off. Driver's seat is ripped. Check out that tilt wheel. Tilt column's tight. I know that's known to go out on a lot of these. Nice and tight. Climate control is working well. Radio works as well. Glove box. Second row seat is in good condition. Let's check out that Vista roof. Yep, Vista roof shades are all there. Yep, I'm gonna have those for sale. Power window regulators. There we go, driver's side. It's actually pretty fast for a B-body. Passenger side. Both working well. All right, guys, it is early on a Monday morning, but that is going to wrap up the test video for LTBU427, our Buick Roadmaster Estate Wagon. All the parts off this Roadmaster can be found on our website, www.jnjautowrecking.com. I'll drop a link in the description below, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. If you guys are looking for Roadmaster parts, I believe we have the biggest collection of wrecked Roadmasters in the nation. Don't quote me on that, but it's 100% true. I'm John. Thanks for watching.